Hey, it's Adrian over here at Community Toyota. I want to show you a couple quick highlights here on the Toyota Tundra. This model we got right here is a Platinum. This one's in black. These are the alloy wheels that are standard here on a Platinum. This one's got a set of running boards on it here, chrome running boards that really pop, make that black look really good. Everything's going to be power here in the truck. You're going to get memory seats. You get a power tilt and telescopic, as well as this one's going to have the power seat with the leg thigh support, so you can extend it so you can get really comfortable here in the truck. Biggest thing on the Tundra is everybody knows just look how much room's in the back. I mean, you can ride and cruise for a long time here with passengers in the truck. It's just very, very comfortable. It's a big, big door here. Even if you wanted to put some storage stuff, the back seats will pick up. Kind of look here in the bed. Here in a Platinum, you're going to get the tie downs here so you can put something down in there, make sure it's not going to move around in the bed of the truck. This one's going to have the spray and bed liner added as well. This one's also going to have the 7 4-pin converters like a Tacoma. This is a Class 4 hitch. This truck's going to pull over 10,000 pounds. This one's also a 4x4, so if you wanted to take it off-road, you can. On a Platinum, they're going to give you the Park Pilot lights here, so you're going to have some extra safety features added in the Platinums as opposed to the other models. Kind of one more thing to look in the back again. I'm going to try to peek in there. That back window back there in that Tundra is going to roll down, so it's one of the only ones in the class that does it like that. It's a full roll down back window. Okay. Also, the cool thing about the Platinums is they get their own unique interior design. If you kind of look right there on the dash, it's going to have all the rivets and everything. That's what makes it custom as well. In the seat, it'll have the Platinum logo in there, but that is exclusive to the Tundra and Plat. Adrian here at Community Toyota, where everything we do is centered around you.